In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Cengage promo codes. So let's get started. So Cengage is an online website which provides educational content for students, and you might be wondering how you can get a discount. Well, you're at the right place. So first of all, you're gonna go to Google and search up Cengage promo code. So once that is done, you're gonna click on this first website, Coupon Follow. So I'm gonna click on it. Okay, so once you're here, you can see many codes. So the first one is 10% off on your purchase. So you can click on it, and that's the code. It's really smart for getting a 10% off. You can click continue to Cengage, and it's just gonna redirect you to the website. And once you're gonna choose your content, and you can go and check out and use this code, and you can claim the 10% discount. Well, there are many other discounts. So for example, this one, save 30% off. You can click on it, and you can use this code for a 30% off. And now I'm gonna go to some other websites and show you a few more codes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this website, wethrift.com. Okay, so now let's say this one, 10% off with purchases which are over $10. So you can copy this code, and as you guys can see, the success rate is not that high, so it might work or might not work for you. So you can always give it a try and see whether it works for you. So there are three codes there. Another one is there, 10% off. You can copy this code as well and give it a try. It might not work for most of the people because the success rate is 29%, but you can always try other codes from other websites as well. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.